Brian? Shut up. What? You want me to shut up?
No, me shut up.
No! No! Me don't want to shut up. Diamonds are forever.
No me gusta.
No! No!
Yes.
No!
Yes.
What?
Yes.
He thinks that's so funny.
I do.
Yeah.
I do.
He does?
I do.
You do?
Yes.
No!
What was that song coming into you? I think she's on her period.
Who?
Brittany.
Brittany?
That's that just came out of her. It was like, what? What?
What?
Okay.
Actually, I just ended my period. TMI!
Wow, I guess I'm psychic. Mhm.
Yeah, so shut up. You do that.
Just use sign language, you dummy. It's T-M-I.
But now, girl.